Hello everybody, and welcome to your home decor channel. My name is Glam Designs. First of all, I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday, and I am really excited to share with you my first Decorate With Me Christmas video. So with nothing else to say, let's decorate this tree together. Just in case you guys are still looking for a tree, this is the one I'm using, and this one is from Walmart, and it was $150, and I had it from previous years and it works fine. I love it because it has lights on it, so it's already light up, so that's amazing. So here's how it looks like already opened up. I opened up the branches and it's just not plugged in, so the lights are off, but I wanted you guys to see it first. Now here's with the lights on, and I will be adding some extra lights. I already did the bottom part. I used the same kind of lights, but the first one that I did, that it wasn't enough. It was a 250 count, but I'll be adding on this 500 count, and the price was less than $30. I believe like $28 for 500, which is really worth it, and they are from Walmart. And here's how it looks like with the extra lights that we added up, and it definitely made it look fuller, which that was exactly the effect that I was looking for here. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use these craft stamps, and these ones are from Michael's, and they were like $4, but you can get it with the 50% off, or you can order it online and pick it up at the store and they'll give you 30% off. It's an offer that is going on their website right now. Next, what I go ahead and do is I line up my ornaments, so that way it's easier for me to grab and just keep adding to the tree. These ones right here are from the Dollar Tree. Believe it or not, they have rose gold. I don't know if previous years they had that, but they had so many beautiful picks. My favorite are these angel wings, and then these other angels with the fur on it. I mean, this is like really beautiful. So first, I'm gonna start adding up the craft stems, and I'm just gonna add them into two because it was a little bit too thin for the tree. I already tried with ones and it doesn't look good. Now I'm just gonna start wrapping around the tree, and I'm gonna start from the top, and we're just gonna go in circles. Then I take my most special items that I wanted to show on the front of the tree, and then I start filling the tree with those. Then I take these gorgeous flowers. These are from Walmart, and they were like $2.98 each. I will be having a haul for the remainder of this Christmas ornaments, just so you guys can see where I got everything from. I already had one, but I don't think it covers everything. And the other items that I don't show, then I had them from previous years. Now that I have my most special and sentimental items, I go ahead and start filling up the spaces, like the empty holes that the Christmas tree is gonna have. So that's exactly what I do next, all around the tree. Next, I want to go ahead and add the topper, and in this year I'll be using these picks. These are mixed from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. This silver one is from Michael's. Then I take these white ones, and these are from Hobby Lobby. And Hobby Lobby is having a 50% off on all Christmas items. These ones right here are from Michael's, and these ones too. So what we want to do is just insert them from the top, and then you start from the center and then go around the tree with the picks. Now we take the Christmas skirt, and I'm just gonna add it to the bottom. And to add some items until the Christmas gifts come in, I will be using this basket to put it underneath the tree until the gifts come in. So this one is from Michael's, and it was $24.99, but it's I believe 75% off, so that came out to $7. And it's a great basic item that you may want to have, so you can transform it into different seasons. In this case, I'll be adding these Christmas ornaments on the front, just so it adds up some Christmas vibes. And I'll also be adding this beautiful Santa that I picked up at Home Goods, and this Dollar Tree sign, and our Dollar Tree reindeer. And the most important thing of Christmas for me is about Jesus and to remember everything that he went through and how he born. So for that, I have this nativity that I had from previous years, and this one I believe it was from Home Goods, and it's just super beautiful. And I think it is important that I share this with you guys. For you to have a beautiful tree, you don't have to spend a fortune. For instance, all my ornaments are less than $3. The most expensive one is these flowers that I picked up at Walmart as well, but they were $2.98. But rather than that, everything else is less than $2. And this way you can save a lot of money because they do add up when you start buying ornaments. And I think, you can make it look pretty. It's all about how you style it. So at this point, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video. I have a question for you guys. I did remove the top silver on the top of the tree, but I'm not sure if I want it all white or with the silver. So I would like for you guys to leave your comments below and let me know if I should add on the silver again or just leave it all white. I would also love to know from you guys if you use different ornaments or you like to stick to one theme, because I love mixing and matching certain ornaments, as you guys can see on this tree. And also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I would love to have you there. My Instagram account is Mimi's Designs, and I would love to have you there because I do a lot of posts of what you guys want to see next. And I also add on my stories every time I get something and where I get it from, so you can be informed and we can be more in touch and I can get to know you better. So this is it for this video and for today, guys. I would like to have you part of the family if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. I do have a Christmas series coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye guys, see you around.